With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have to select the element which is the most abundant in the skeletal muscle. Now we all know the skeletal muscles or the voluntary muscles are necessary for carrying out the different kinds of voluntary movement of our arms, legs, and all of this. And these are also known as the striated muscles, because if we are going to observe them under a microscope, we will observe stripes or alternate light and dark bands on them. Now, such light and dark bands or such striations appear on the voluntary muscles or the skeletal muscles because of two different contractile proteins, namely actin and myosin. So these actin and myosin proteins are necessary for the contractile activity, for the contract muscles, because both of these proteins are going to bind with each other, and only then the muscle fiber can show contraction. So what is the role of a mineral element in this? We see that whenever the muscle fiber is stimulated, or when the action potential reaches our muscle, this releases a lot of calcium ions, that is the Ca++ ions, into the protoplasm of the muscle fiber or the muscle cell, that is the sarcoplasm. Now, what role are these calcium ions going to play in the contraction of muscle? We see that the site on the actin protein, with the help of which it is going to bind with the myosin protein, with the help of which a cross bridge will be formed between the contractile proteins, this site is hidden or masked by a subunit of a protein known as troponin. So the role of the calcium ions over here is to unmask this binding site on the actin protein. So the calcium ions bind with the troponin, which is hiding the active site, and when this active site is exposed, then both of these contractile proteins, actin and myosin, form a cross bridge, and this results in contraction of the muscle. So which mineral element are we going to find? Option B, calcium, is our correct answer over here, because the calcium ions released in the sarcoplasm help in unmasking the binding site, which is hidden by troponin, by binding with this troponin subunit, and then actin and myosin can bind with each other and the muscle can contract.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.